dust, eh? We found that out today. But check this out. This guy's got a shipping container. He's pumping water up into the shipping container. It's got like a friggin' engine dyno in there. And he uses rainwater for coolant. Holy. I apologize. But so we're... it's a bit of an ass, eh? A little assy. So yeah, it just takes rainwater from the gutter. It wants to chooch it. Normally does it with a garden hose, but it's gonna bury it now and it'll be awesome. And he just pumps it up into I guess a shipping in there, a toad up there, and calls her a cigarette, I guess. Scores. Pretty awesome. Pretty sweet setup. That almost looks like the perfect slope already.
Kind of does.
Almost barely even need the level, probably. Oh, there.
Oh. Let me check.
Oh, there. Look at this guy go. Huh? Such a slope specialist. Almost to China.
China. Your chitter chatter of Chinese voices. That there's D47U 350 cubic inch 4-cylinder, 5.5 inch stroke on it.
Where do you find all this?
Yeah, that was at an auction. Oh, it's got 2 spark plugs in it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and the rest is all diesel.
Nice.
Little pup motor.
Huh.
That thing there, you fire it up and get within 10 feet of it, your feet tickle.
Oh yeah?
Pounds the ground.
Yeah. No shit,
It's project number 682.
Right.
I might get to it in this lifetime.
Is that thing ready to fire up? Can you fire that up for a movie?
What I'm gonna do this year, I'll get the water going. I'm not a plumber, so I don't know what it's gonna do when I put pressure on it.
So you haven't even tried it yet?
No, I got subsystems that I've tried, right, but nothing wet.
So this is just going to take water from the tote and just use siphon it out of there through the engine, and then go where?
Into here,
back.
That 3-inch pipe. That's the discharge off the dyno.
And then back into here.
Goes in here. That's a 1/2-inch pump. I think it'll keep up. Well, when they're just running the motor, you don't need a lot of cold water to keep the motor cool. When the dyno, also when you hit the dyno, you don't sit there for half an hour.
Yeah,
it's just a blip.
Yeah, gun in the ball sack off it. Yeah.
So I got some naysayers and some positive guys, but you always get naysayers.
Right.
They don't know shit and they're jealous.
Well, if you never try anything, then... Sweet, and then we can just pull her out. We'll lay her right out in the sun here. Let this cook in the sun for a couple more minutes. Yeah, I don't know, stab this in the ground, drill a hole in this tank here, and let's find our drill bit. That's what we'll do, find our drill bit. And then Felon's just about done with the slope tack. Grab our drill bit. This guy's got all type of friggin' Monte Carlos and shit, eh? Decent. I love Monte Carlos, dudes. You know what I mean? Oh yeah. Lithium ions in the sun, boys. Lithium iron phosphates. It's just a beautiful day, but when you're black, when you're laying out in the sun directly, it's a little warm. Look at this slope, boys. Holy. Holy, my guy, you know?
California, they'd arrest you.
We're doing this?
Yeah, you're using water resources without the state's permission.
No shit, eh? Well, they pump all their fresh water in from everywhere else, right? So.
At Elon Musk, at SpaceX, he took all the runoff from the roofs and he filled a big pond. Then when the rocket takes off, he uses all that water, and they charged him.
I'll stab this end in here.
Got
Stabbed right in big time.
dead?
Mm-hmm.
Good shovel.
Oh. Come on, do it with the little one the whole time.
No.
Sweet. Friggin' decent. Scores. Oh, we got to switch the dump trailer, hook the flatbed onto the truck here. We gotta go get a car and come back and switch everything around again.
When it's on the hoist, you can, fiddle with the transmission to do it, but when it's on the ground like that, I wouldn't know what to do.
First thing we need is the VTOM on. Why you don't have it? It'll run for 10 seconds. That's perfect. Okay. Won't go.
It's in neutral now anyways, right? Yeah. Makes it a little bit easier to drag.
clear of this cable here.
Okay.
I think we're good to go. Almost think maybe straighten out the back of my trailer a little bit.
Maybe.
Yeah, weld her right there. That's where she'll go. Okay, thanks a lot.
See ya.
Look at these horses. Look at the horses. There's a little baby horse. You saw him? He loves pets. Oh my God. Okay, thank you.
Designed and worn by hockey legends Sidney Crosby and Mark Streit, the Norcade Wildwood was created to perform the compression, just like they did on the Echo. Visit Nash Jewelers in store or online at nashjewelers.com. Jewelers, a family tradition since 1918.
Doesn't look nearly as big behind that, so that's good. Freaking sweet, boys. Hey, just getting the friggin' tractor loaded up for tomorrow. Strap her down still, of course, but got my pipes. Hey, got my friggin' pipes, my good ones. Got those for the job where Buddy was telling me where he didn't want to have water coming out of the end of a pipe every time it rains. Those were his actual words to me. And I'm just like, well, yeah, I mean, that's the entire point of us being here digging a trench and putting pipes in the ground is so that when it rains, water comes out of the end of the pipe. Like that's what? You know, like, Just friggin' majestic, boys. Look at that. Holy. My friggin' juice stick. Okay, I think we're ready for morning.